I left that nigga on red cause I felt like it. Dress me down in that rash and Loreal jacket. Dapper, I look fine and my checks define. No wonder why I do whatever I like, I do.
Hi loves, what is up? It's your girl AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. And in today's video I created this very nice, fresh and natural looking makeup for the summertime. It's very nice and warm and still kind of bright and still brings color to your face, and I really like that the way this turned out. I did lose my voice, so I am a bit hoarse, so throughout this video I don't talk as much, just so that you guys won't have to listen to, you know, this situation going on here. Also guys, if you know, I did do a big chop on my hair in December, so I am about 7 months post big chop, and you guys, my hair is in a bun right now. So like I'm excited about, you know, the growth of my hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing an updated, you know, if you guys are interested in seeing an updated review, not review, but you know, if you guys are interested in seeing an updated video on, you know, my hair growth and how I am pretty much dealing with it and keeping it, how I handle it and how it has grown so much, what I have done for it to grow this much, then definitely, you know, let me know in the comments down below. I have a lot of content and a lot of hair videos in mind for you guys, so let me know what you guys want to see down below in the comments section. And yeah guys, I'm so happy that my hair has grown this much, so just let me know if you guys are interested in seeing that type of video. Before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then go ahead, pause this video and click that subscribe button down below, and also leave a thumbs up for my effort and this video, and also comment down below and tell me what you guys think of this look. We have some faux freckles going on here. We have a very nice peachy tone overall. Also, all the products that I use in this video is pretty much all affordable products and very inexpensive. So if you guys want to know all of the products that I use, it'll be listed down below in the description box. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I came up with this look, then definitely keep on watching. I had so much fun celebrating my birthday that, you know, I woke up like this even before my birthday. I think 2 days before my birthday. So, but I really did want to film a video for you guys. So, yeah, we're just gonna have to push through this hoarseness that's going on. And yeah, hope you guys can bear with me. So yeah. So for our brows, we're gonna be going in with a brow pencil. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this is in the darkest shade number 6. I like to use this pencil just because it gives more of a natural brow look. So we're just lightly filling in our brows, and this is one of my favorite brow pencils ever. I'm gonna try not to talk as much throughout this video just so that you guys won't get annoyed with, you know, my voice. So yeah, I'm only gonna talk when I need to. So now that that's done, we're gonna go in with our concealer, and I'm using the L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I'm just going in with my fluffy brush, and we're blending this all out. And for our lids, we're going to do a pretty simple look today. So I'm going in with my Morphe 3502 palette. I'm going to go into this transition shade. We're going for a pretty nice fresh look. We're going to go into the shade. and pop this color in our crease. And blend it out in circular back and forth motions. And then we're gonna go ahead and spray our brush. This shade, and kind of just press this on our lid area just to create a base. Just a very light layer. I'm gonna go in with this shade. And then we're just gonna go in with a brush. And then we're gonna apply another layer. I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Pro Filter Primer. Rub this in our skin. So I did apply some lashes, but these are one of the most natural lashes that I have, that I use when I don't want to be too dramatic with my lashes. These are the Ardell Demi Wispies, and I think they are perfect for a natural, effortless look. So next, for foundation, I'm going to go into the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 335. And mix our foundation with some of the L'Oreal True Match Loreal Glowtion, and this is in the shade 903. Give our face some type of glow. Now for cream contour, we're going to go in with the L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Expresso. And now we're just going to buff that out with our Real Techniques sculpting brush. And now going in with our fluffy blending brush. Now for concealer, we're going to go in with the L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. And we're just going to let this sit on our face, get a little bit more full coverage. Alright, and I'm going to blend my concealer out with my Real Techniques setting brush. So now I'm going to set my concealer using my Airspun. And I'm going in with the powder on a Morphe brush. So now that our concealer is set, we're going to go ahead and set our contour. And I'm going to use my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. So now for blush, we're going to go into the Morphe 9B palette, and I have been obsessed with this orange blush. This is so pretty, so nice, and I don't know, it's just so bright and it gives the most beautiful blush ever. So I'm gonna go in with this and this one, and just with the light hand dust this over my cheek. So now I'm going to spray my face and then move on to my eyes. I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Fix Lock in Makeup Setting Spray. I'm not going to apply any eyeliner today just because, you know, I feel like this look should stay like very natural, neutral, nice, warm, and fresh looking. So I'm just going to go in with some mascara. I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara for my bottom lashes. Oh, you guys, I forgot to contour my nose. So I'm going to go back in with my cream contour. So I forgot to apply some eyeshadow on my lower lash line. So we're going to go back into the orange shade that we used. Alright, so now we're going to go in with our Morphe black eyeliner and deepen up our beauty marks. We're going to add some freckles on our face, and I'm going to go in with my Morphe Gel Liner in the shade Brownish and the end of a spoolie brush, and just lightly. The last time I went without you. And I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I used to set my under eyes and just lightly press over those just to set it in place. Now for highlighter, we're gonna go in with the Loreal Glow Nude highlighting palette. And I'm going to dip into this shade down here and a little bit of these two. I used to walk these roads with you. Now we're going to spray our face again. And for liner, we're going to go in with the NYX Lip Liner in the shade Toast. Then with the Fenty Mattemoiselle lipstick in the shade Single. Some of what we used on our eyelids, and pop this on my lip as well, just to see. Alright, love, so that completes today's look and today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. If you are not, comment down below. And before we go, today's motivational quote is, letting the spirit control your mind leads to life and peace. So with that being said, I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.
I left that nigga on red, cause I felt like it. Dressed me down in L.A.